Hi, my name is Christoph and welcome to the Quixotry Workshop. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I make a forming stump. It's to shape metal into various shapes and forms with hammers, and it's a very old process of how they used to make panels for cars in the old days before they had fancy equipment. And it's basically hammering and stretching and shrinking a piece of metal with using a stump with a hollow in it and a flat area. So first of all, I'm going to show you how I make that stump, and then secondly I'm going to show you how I made a sandbag so that I can actually shape the metal on something that's soft and make various shapes out of that. So this is the stump. All I did is I added rubber feet so it doesn't wobble. And what I want to do now on the surface is I want to mark out a circle, and I don't want to put it in the middle. I want to put it more to the side, here, so that I've got this flat area available. So it seems like the wood is quite stable on this side. I'm going to draw a circle there. And I'm just using a coffee tin lid. It's about 130 millimeter or 13 centimeter in diameter, and I want to make it about 3 centimeter deep. So to make this cup shape, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my saw and just work it a little bit. So what I did here is I made some of the edges straight and some curved, and I just followed the natural flow of what the stump looks like. And I think to give me various options of curves and straight sides. Well, this is the basic idea. This is just a piece of aluminium that I shaped like that. You can see there's a texture in the middle because I messed around on the leather with the hammer. But I used my soft hammer to shape it into this, and I used the lead side to flatten it. And I know there's other tools that guys use, the mallets, and I think in my next video I'll make some wooden mallets. But for now, this is what I have, and I think that's in these two things in combination, forming stump, sandbag. This is a tool I made using a bicycle sprocket and a bearing and a piece of copper tubing. So I see some guys, they just sew it directly on, but I wanted to give it some depth. I wanted more volume, so I made it like this. It's an experiment. And then also, instead of putting a zip in, I put this to fill it. And what I want to do is I want to put this plastic bag inside so that there's less chance of leaking sand or dust. So I'm just going to push this into the thing and then just give it some, blow it with air. And then I'm going to start filling it. Now I can also use this on top of this, like that, and it'll actually make a nice hollow, like that. If I want a more shallow hollow. And I can start. Don't want to leave any mark. I just want to gently shape this. Now those little crinkles on the side, they get sorted out when you flatten it again. The metal actually shrinks the metal. So let's see if I can make a you can see that using various edges and the flat area here, you'll be able to make interesting shapes using these tools. I do hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe and hit that like button, and I'll see you next week. Cheers.